How to stop Snapchat calls from showing on call log. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be explaining on how to stop Snapchat calls from appearing in your call logs. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to make sure that you've installed the latest version of Snapchat application on your mobile device and you're also logged in with your specific account. Now go to the system settings, scroll all the way down and go to apps, that is below the device care option, tap on it. From here, you can scroll down and search for Snapchat, or you can also use the search button at the top. Type in Snapchat. Once you find the application, tap on it. Now, in this page, make sure that you have set this app as default and make sure that you have not allowed phone or any settings that is related to your call log. And in the case if you're using iPhone, go to Analytics and Improvements, and at the top, you will see the option for Share iPhone Analytics. Toggle the switch off. Now to remove any existing Snapchat calls log, you can go to your call log and you will see entries for the Snapchat audio calls and you can delete these entries manually. And that's it. This is how you can stop Snapchat calls from showing up in your call log. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.